Machine problems, bad communication, slow repairs. This costs you a lot of money and time every single day. Take back control with QRmaint CMMS. Our system makes your maintenance team fast and effective. It all starts with the simplest way to report a fault. A maintenance worker just scans a machine QR code with their phone. That's it. The whole team gets an instant alert about a new problem. This lets them act right away, cut on machine downtime and saving your company money. But QRmaint does much more than just report fault. You get a full control of your entire operation. Easily plan preventive maintenance tasks so you can stop problems before they even happen. Track your spare parts inventory to make sure you always have what you need for repair. Plus, you can see key performance reports that show you what's working and what isn't. It's a powerful, modern tool for managing stuff and machines from one simple place. Stop reacting, start planning. Try QRmaint CMS for 14 days. There are no strings attached. Get total control today. One more thing, want to see how it works in person? Visit us at the Maintenance Munich 2025. We are there from October 29 till 30, 2 days. Don't miss it.